Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on create events, role create events on events permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, now click new role, and now click permissions. Now as you see here, you'll find this here, you'll find create events. Click on it and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.